Hi, welcome to our electromagnetic course. In the last topic, that is the reflection coefficient, in the topic we derived reflection coefficient at the load as gamma L. This is the reflection coefficient at the load is given by ZL minus Z0 by ZL plus Z0. ZL plus Z0. It is what? Reflection coefficient at the load is given by reflection coefficient at the load end is given by like this, that is gamma L equal to ZL minus Z0 by ZL plus Z0. Now in this video we will discuss about reflection coefficient at the load end for SE, OC and matched lines. SE means short circuited line, OC means open circuited line, and last line is matched line. Let us consider case 1, that is what? Case 1 is nothing but short circuited line, or simply it is also called as SE line, that is short circuited line. Short circuited means what? In this case ZL equal to what? 0. Means we have a line like this. This line is terminated with short circuit like this. Okay, this is the load end. And it is the source end or input end. In this case ZL equal to what? 0. Substitute ZL equal to 0 in equation 1. ZL equal to 0 in equation 1. In equation 1 we will get reflection coefficient at the load end for the short circuited line. That means what? If the line is terminated with the short circuit, in that case gamma L equal to what? That is 0 minus Z0 by 0 plus Z0, or else it is equal to what? Minus 1. We can write this as gamma L equal to 1 at an angle of 180 degrees. We can write like this, 1 at an angle of 180 degrees. This is what? A reflection coefficient at the load end if the line is terminated with the short circuit. Next go for what? Second case, that is what? Case number 2. What is case 2? Open circuited line. Let us consider open circuited line. Open circuited line means what? Open circuited, or else simply OC line. OC line means what? In this case load is terminated with open circuit, means the load impedance is infinity. The load impedance is ZL equal to infinity. Okay, now we can write equation 1, or else draw the diagram like this. This is what? Our transmission line. It is open circuited at the load end. That means what? ZL is in this case is infinity. Equation 1 can be rewritten as follows. Take ZL as common in the numerator and denominator. So ZL is taken as common in the numerator and denominator, that is 0 minus Z0 by ZL by, here ZL is taken as common 1 plus Z0 by ZL. If you take ZL as common in the numerator and denominator of this equation 1, we will get like this. This ZL cancelled out, and we can write this as what? 0 minus, here what I wrote? 1. If I take ZL, okay, that is what? 1 minus Z0 by infinity, and here 1 plus Z0 by infinity. Why? Since for open circuit line ZL equal to what? Infinity. Now we got gamma L as what? That is 1 minus 0 by 1 plus 0, that equal to what? 1. So it implies gamma L equal to what? 1 at an angle of 0 degrees. 1 at an angle of 0 degrees. We can write like this. Okay. Now case 3, that is matched case. That is matched line. Matched line is nothing but matched line. For the matched line, ZL equal to Z naught. Matching means what? There is no reflection. Means what? We need to get in this case reflection coefficient as 0. Substitute ZL equal to Z naught in equation 1. Substitute ZL equal to Z naught. ZL equal to Z naught in equation 1. In equation 1. In this case, for this case, we can draw a diagram like this. That is, it is input end, it is load end. For this case, this is terminated with a load impedance. It is terminated with a load impedance of ZL, load impedance that equal to ZL equal to Z naught. Okay, now we need to substitute ZL equal to Z naught in equation 1. Then substitute ZL equal to Z naught in equation 1. Then gamma L equal to what? Gamma L equal to ZL is Z naught, means Z naught minus Z naught by Z naught plus Z naught, that equal to what? 0 by 2 Z naught, that is 0 by something is 0. So that means we can write gamma L here 0. 0 at an angle 0. 0 at an angle 0. Okay, this is as a reflection coefficient. That means what? There is no reflected wave from the load end. Means load is matched to our input end. So that's why this case is called as matched case. This case is called as matched case. And here we got 100% reflection, means incident wave equal to the reflected wave. Incident voltage equal to the reflected voltage. Here also we got a reflection. So that is 100% reflection. These are called as perfectly mismatched cases. That is, short circuited case and open circuited cases are perfectly mismatched cases. Whereas for matched case, we got reflection coefficient as 0. For the matched case, what I wrote, I will explain about that matched case by considering input impedance of the lossless transmission line. Let us consider a transmission line, input impedance of transmission line equation. We know that ZIN equal to what? What is the expression? That is Z naught into ZL plus J Z naught, J into Z naught, tan beta L by Z naught plus J ZL tan beta L. Okay. Now, if I substitute ZL as Z naught, if ZL equal to Z naught, then ZIN, substitute ZL equal to Z naught in this one, we will get what? ZIN equal to what? Here ZL is Z naught, here also ZL is Z naught, means Z naught plus J Z naught tan beta L. Z naught plus J Z naught tan beta L means numerator and denominator cancelled out. We got ZIN as what? Z naught. And compare these two, that is ZL equal to Z naught. Here if ZL equal to Z naught, ZIN is also equal to Z naught. Means what? Input is matched to our load. So that's why this case is called as matched case. And by considering or by calculating gamma L, by substituting ZL equal to Z naught, we got reflection coefficient as 0. That's why this case is matched case. Why it is matched case? There is no reflection from the load end. Okay. So if ZL equal to Z naught, that case is taken as matched case, whereas short circuited case and open circuited cases are considered as a perfectly mismatched case. What is the difference between this one and this one? In magnitude point of view, these reflection coefficients are equal, whereas only there is a phase difference. So in that case 0 degrees, here we have 180 degrees. 180 degrees means what? Phase undergoes a phase shift of what? 180 degrees, means minus 1. Okay, this is all about reflection coefficient at the load end for short circuited, open circuited and matched lines. Thank you.